students, good morning everyone. Students, we will learn chapter number 6. So today we will continue with the same chapter in this video also. Okay. So first of all, everyone take out your notebook. Notebook means your math copy. Okay. So that we will start. Listen student, in my previous video I taught you how to do multiplication or how to solve your question with the help of three methods. I taught you three methods there: repeated addition, skip counting, and with the help of sticks. Okay, how to multiply with the help of sticks, repeated addition, and one more it was, that is stick. Okay, so now today here I am going to teach you exercise. So first of all, open page number 58. You have to open page number 58 so that you can solve your first exercise. So here students, see, your first exercise is as practice in your notebook. So see what is question number 1. Everyone start reading question number 1 with me. Start. Construct the table of 4 and 6 by skip counting. Skip counting means छोड़ के लिखना, एक नंबर को छोड़ के लिखना. Okay, or more than one number. So now start. Here you have to construct the table of 4 and 6. हमें 2 tables लिखनी. We have to write 2 tables. How? We have to follow which method? Method of skip counting. So start writing solution. Solution of question number 1, or you can write question number 1. Here, table of 4 is equal to, first of all you have to draw 10 circles, okay, and you have to combine it with the help of curve. 1 2 3 circle, then 4 circle, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. See students, first of all you have to draw 10 circles, 10 similar circles, and before drawing circles, first of all keep it in your mind, your circle must be within one block. एक ही block में circle होना चाहिए. Don't go for 2 or 3 blocks. Okay? Use one block for one circle and give one space, one block space. आपकी मैथ्स की कॉपी कैसे होती है? ऐसे होती है ना? ऐसे होती है ना? तो अगर आपने यहाँ पे सर्कल बनाया है तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आप स्पेस देंगे और फिर नेक्स्ट लाइन में आप सर्कल बनाएंगे. Is it clear? Because you have to do each work neat and clean and beautiful. Okay? So how to write table of 4? First of all you have to write 4, then plus 4. Plus 4 is equal to how much? 8. Then plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is equal to how much? 12. Then plus 4. So 12 plus 4 is equal to how much? 16. आपको ये ऐड करना है. मैंने एडिशन आपको सिखा दिया है. I taught you addition in chapter number 3. Now you have to add it your own. Here I am writing directly so that you can do more and more practice. Okay? So don't be confused. आपको क्या करना है? 4, then add 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 has come. Then 8 plus 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 has come. Then 12 plus 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 has come. Then plus 4. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Plus 4. Then 24. Plus 4. Then 28. Plus 4. Then 32. Plus 4. 36. Plus 4. 40. So now your table of 4 is completed by skip counting. Okay? Now table of 6. How to write table of 6? Table of 6 is equal to, same pattern you have to follow. Means you have to draw circles. How many circles? 10 circles. How many circles? 10. How many circles? 10 circles. Let me count my circle whether it is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, my circles are correct. So how to write? What to write? What to write here? You have to write here 6 first of all, because this is the table of 6. Then you have to write 6. plus 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to how much? 12. Then plus 6. एक काम करते हैं, पहले नीचे 6 6 लिख देते हैं प्लस, ठीक है, so that you can add it well. आप इसको जल्दी जल्दी ऐड कर सकते हो. Then 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Then 12 plus 6 is equal to how much? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 6 is equal to how much? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 plus 6 is equal to how much? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 plus 6 is equal to how much? Understood it. 36. Okay. 36 plus 6 is equal to how much? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Your answer is 42. 42 plus 6 is equal to how much? 48. 48 plus 6 is equal to how much? 54. You have to count it your own. 54 plus 6 is equal to how much? 60. So now your table of 4 and 6 is completed. Yes students, your table of 4 and 6 is completed. Means question number 1 is done. So now see, you have to write in same method in your copy. जैसे मैंने लिखा है आपको सेम टू सेम लिखना है. No changes at all. Write it beautiful. ठीक है? अच्छे से लिखेंगे, सुंदर सुंदर लिखेंगे. Now see, here it is written question number 2. How to solve question number 2? अब देखते हैं question number 2 कैसे solve करना है. Let me erase it. First of all, you have to pay more and more attention. It was solution of question number 1. Now we are going to solve question number 2 and after that I will give you some homework. After that I will give you some homework which you have to do. Okay? Okay students? After that I will give you some homework. See, let my board to be dry. My board dry, which it is not dry. Let me dry it. Okay, so that my marker will work very well. So now students, see solution of question number 2. Here you have to write question number 2 solution. Question number 2. How to start? Construct the table of sum by repeated addition. Repeated addition means you have to do plus plus plus. Table of 7. You have to write each and everything like this. Table of 7. First of all you have to write 7. Okay? और you can write here. सबसे पहले आप लोग 1 2 3 लिखिए तो आपको क्लियर रहेगा आप कितने टाइम लिख रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. मैंने इसलिए काउंटिंग लिखी है so that you must be very much careful that how to write and how much table you have to write. 1 means only 7. 2 means 7 plus 7. 3 means 3 times 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Because this is repeated addition. What is this? This is repeated addition. You have to write multiply with the help of first method. What was our first method? Our first method was repeated addition. Okay, 4 means 4 times 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 5 means 5 times 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. 6 means you have to write 6 times 7. Okay, means you have to add 6 sevens. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Then 7 times 7 you have to write 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Clear? Now 8 times 7 you have to write 7 plus 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 7. 9 times you have to write 7 plus 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 7. 10 times 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus, here it was I think so 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Now your table of 7 is completed with the help of repeated addition. Okay, now see what is your question number third. Question number third you have to draw same in your copy. Okay, and you have to solve it. Write the product as shown by the sticks in the given figure. Means you have to write the product, you have to see whether which table is given. So we will solve question number A. Question number A देखिए क्या दिया हुआ है. How many sticks are there in vertical? You have to find out. First of all vertical में हम क्या करेंगे, चलिए मैं आपको ये वाला टेबल अभी स्क्रीन को जूम करके दिखाती हूँ. Okay, just a wait a minute, and after that I give you homework. Okay, just wait. Now see students, you have to first of all count horizontal lines. How many horizontal sticks are given here? 1 2 3 and 4. It means it is understood that this is the table of 4. It is understood. तो हमें यहाँ पे पहले 4 लिख देना है, ठीक है, so that you won't be confused. Now see, we have to count vertical lines. How many vertical lines are given? Now write 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means this is the table of 4. It means this is the table of 4. Now how to write table of 4? Turn your book. I am writing in the book, but listen, you have to write in the copy. Okay, 4 multiply 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. I told you in my previous video about this table of 4. ठीक है, तो आप table of 4 ऐसे ही लिखेंगे जैसे मैंने बताया था, but don't write like this. Okay, this is the method I am teaching you that how to write, but you have to write like 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. आपको ऐसे लिखना है in the copy. First of all you have to draw this portion in your copy, then draw this side, this portion, and write table of 4 this side. Okay, then put question number B here, means draw this portion this side and write table this side, then draw C this side and write table this side. Now check which table is this in question number B. अभी question number B में देखेंगे which table is given. 1 2 3 4 5 means you have to count horizontal lines so that you can have an idea that which table is given. So this is the table of 5. Now count how many vertical lines are given. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, it means you have to write table of 5. Okay, मैंने आपको बताया था कि कैसे काउंट करते हैं. देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 5 points are given, so 5 1 ja 5, then 6 7 8 9 10, then 5 2 ja what, 5 2 ja 10, so 10 points are given. Then you will count third line, so you will get 5 3 ja. When you will count fourth line, then you will get 5 4 ja. So you have to write the table as I told you. Means this side you have to draw this stick for a method, and then you have to write in front the same table. Okay, you have to write the table of 5 in front. Listen students, if you are unable to do in one page, you can use 2 page or 3 page, no problem at all. You can go for the next page, but don't try to write your work in a hodgepodge method. Now check which table is given. So we have, for knowing which table is given, which line we have to count, we have to count horizontal lines. Horizontal line means sleeping lines and vertical line means standing line. So see which lines are our table. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 means this is the table of 7. So here only 3 lines given. 1 2 3 means 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is, then 7 3 is. Only you have to write table till 3 is. Okay, till 3 is you have to write your table. Is it clear students? Now see students, I have written your homework of today. Construct the table of 8 and 9 by skip counting, which you have to do in your notebook. And then question number 2, construct the table of 3 and 10 by repeated addition. Okay students, so these 2 homework I have given you today, which you have to do within 2 days. Okay, within 2 days means you can take today and tomorrow timing, and you can do it. Okay, I'll tell you through WhatsApp then when, at what time you have to send your homework. So everyone, bye bye. That's enough for today. You have to complete your work with a very good handwriting, neat and clean, and you have to write date on each page. Listen students, this is the most important thing that you have to write your date on each page. हर एक पेज पे आप डेट लिखेंगे. ओके, बाय एवरीवन, टेक केयर.